Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss case study questions based on binary file. In order to work with pickle module, we have to import pickle. In statement 1, we have to write pickle. We want to write in student.date file. For that, the mode will be BB to write in a binary file. In order to write an object onto a binary file opened in write mode, we have to write pickle.dump. Now our writing work is done. F.close will close the file. In statement 1, the option will be pickle. In statement 2, the option will be BB. In statement 3, as we want to write in a binary file, we have to use pickle.dump. At last, we should close the file. Here file handle is F, then we should write F.close.